So, how does coding work, really? The short answer is that writing code tells the computer what to do. But it's not quite that simple. So here's the long answer. A computer can only understand two distinct types of data, on and off. In fact, a computer is really just a collection of on and off switches, transistors. Anything that a computer can do is nothing more than a unique combination of some transistors turned on and some transistors turned off. Binary code is the representation of these combinations as ones and zeros, where each digit represents one transistor. Modern computers contain millions or even billions of transistors, which means an unimaginably large number of combinations. But one problem arises here. To be able to write a computer program by typing out billions of ones and zeros would require superhuman brain power, and even then it would probably take you a lifetime or two to write. This is where programming languages come in. Here is a simple example of some code. Put simply, a programming language is a set of syntax rules that define how code should be written and formatted. Thousands of different programming languages make it possible for us to create computer software, apps, and websites. Instead of writing binary code, they let us write code that is easier for us to write, read, and understand. Each language comes with a special program that takes care of translating what we write into binary code. Because different languages are designed to be used for different purposes, some are useful for web development, others are useful for writing desktop software, others are useful for solving scientific and numeric problems, and so on. Programming languages can also be low-level or high-level. Low-level languages are closer to the binary code a computer understands, while high-level languages bear a lot less resemblance to binary code. High-level languages are easier to program in because they are less detailed and designed for us to be easy to write. Nearly all of the main programming languages in use today are high-level languages. Isn't it amazing to think that something as deceptively simple and primitive as binary code can create things as complex as what goes on inside a computer? Your screen, operating system, photos, the internet, Facebook, your online bank account, and this video. All these things can be constructed from nothing but ones and zeros. It's a real symbol of human achievement. Don't worry if this process seems complicated and confusing. The whole reason that coding languages exist is to simplify it all for you.